Hello kids, welcome back to our learning channel. Today we are going to learn something very exciting, adverbs. Do you know what adverbs are? They make sentences more meaningful by telling us more about the verb. Are you ready to explore? Let's begin our fun journey. Let's start with some simple examples. The crow was thirsty. The crow was very thirsty. Do you see the difference? In the second sentence, the word very gives us more meaning about how thirsty the crow was. Similarly, Haider was practicing maths in the class. Haider was practicing maths in the class today. The word today adds more meaning. Another one. The sports event was inaugurated. The sports event was inaugurated on the stage. Here, the words very, today, on the stage are adverbs. Adverbs are words that tell us more about the verb, an adjective, or another adverb in the sentence. Examples. Charan plays with his friends daily. Saurabh drives extremely fast. Haider remembers her aunt fondly. Quick check. Now you tell me, if I say she sings beautifully, what is the adverb? Yes, beautifully. Adverbs are of 5 kinds. Adverbs of manner, they tell us how an action is done. Example, Charan had gone to school late. Example, the train to Delhi arrived early. Adverbs of time, they tell us when an action takes place. Example, she hurt herself in the morning. Example, I am going out to play tomorrow. Adverbs of degree, they tell us how much or to what extent. Example, it is too hot outside. Example, the milk is very hot. Adverbs of place, they tell us where an action takes place. Example, I could not find my dress anywhere. Example, I kept the key somewhere. Adverbs of frequency, they tell us how often something happens. Example, my parents watch the news daily. Example, my cousins visit us regularly. Dash, game. I'll say a sentence and you tell me what kind of adverb it has. He comes here often. Place. I was very tired. Degree. They play football daily. Frequency. Let's practice with an exercise. Dash. Underline the adverbs and state their kinds. We are returning home now. Now, adverb of time. I absolutely loved playing this video game. Absolutely, adverb of degree. I shall meet you tomorrow. Tomorrow, adverb of time. The peacock showed an extremely beautiful plumage. Extremely, adverb of degree. My brother feeds the street dogs sometimes. Sometimes, adverb of frequency. Our school sports magazine is issued fortnightly. Fortnightly, frequency or time. The man pulled the heavy load slowly. Slowly, adverb of manner. Dash, fill in the blanks with suitable adverbs. My uncle visited us yesterday. I am too ill today to go out. The dog barked so loudly that the baby woke up. Let us go home quickly because we have to go to school tomorrow. I will leave for Dubai soon. He has reached the airport already. Haider is always busy preparing for the championship. Now let's learn something interesting, comparative and superlative forms of adverbs. Base form, walk fast, the bus has already arrived. Comparative form, walk faster if you want to catch the bus. Superlative form, you walked the fastest so you got the best seat. We also use more, most, less, least to compare. Examples, my sister jumped into the pool less confidently than us. He arranged the bouquet most beautifully. Dash, practice time, complete the table. Early, earlier, earliest. Brave, braver, bravest. Easy, easier, easiest. Far, farther, farthest. Loud, louder, loudest. Dash, fill in the blanks. We should have spoken more gently with the old man. This song has got the grooviest beats. The teacher spoke softly to the students. I ran faster than I ever have. I could see more clearly with those classes. The pressure of deadlines fell on us heavier than the last time. Time to revise. Today we learnt what adverbs are, 5 kinds, manner, time, degree, place, frequency, comparative and superlative forms of adverbs. We practiced fill-ups, underlining activities, and comparison exercises. Fantastic job, kids! Claps, claps! Great job, kids! Today you learned a lot about adverbs in a fun way. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, love, share and subscribe to our channel. See you next time with another exciting grammar lesson. Bye, kids! Thanks for watching.